We are on our way to dinner. Can you grab the door, please?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, it's Pinocchio.
Oh, yeah.
I hope I'm not cold.
Oh, we should have brought a pen.
I have enough my bag.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of cold. Should I wear my jacket?
Yeah, it's kind of cold, dude.
Should I grab my North Face? Oh, I have a denim jacket. It's in the bottom of my suitcase. Thanks. Dinner, part 2. Turn it the other way.
Oh, wow, this was supposed to be cold in the daytime.
We're going to breakfast even though we're not hungry.
That's the first time we're seeing it in the daytime.
Yes.
Oh, look. There's like a little out thing over here so you can see the flash.
Oh, yeah.
And there's like binoculars or something. There's really beast over there.
Oh, it is sunny. I'm gonna wear sunblock.
Yeah, at least it's sunny today.
Yeah. People were swimming in it last night, even though it was 49 degrees outside. This is the main lobby area. Look at that big tree. Oh, these are the elevators, right?
Mom got me to
Need to make a phone call. I wonder if that phone's hooked up. It's not, right? Or it is? Oh, it is. It is hooked up. You might be able to use it.
We're not holding that up to the
But it seems busy, so. Oh, wait. You could go to 5.
Okay.
Oh, vacation call. Oh, but maybe you can still go there.
Yeah, because I want to walk on the bridge.
Yeah, you could try it. It's gonna happen.
Yeah, that's where we had dinner last night. It was really good. I'm so full now. Oh, cool. Look at the big rug. We're waiting for our table at the buffet in Boma. The detail that went into this hotel is incredible. Oh, these are the restrooms.
Oh, you can go to wildlife seminars.
Oh.
I'm gonna take a picture just in case we're here and we want to do something together. So, one day. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah. Imagine getting an espresso martini in the morning.
Wow. Jenna probably would.
But now I want to know how to make it.
Yes. Do you make it with real espresso? We are having breakfast at Boma here at the Animal Kingdom, but we're not really hungry, so we're eating a little bit of something because I have to take my medication and Daniel is trying to make the most of it. We may cancel our reservations for tomorrow, we might not, but if we do, we have to do it at least 2 hours in advance. But when on my birthday, Friday, today's Wednesday, and then tomorrow we have reservations. Saturday and Sunday we have reservations. We leave on Sunday. We'll think about it. But Friday, for my birthday, we're going to have lunch at the Disney Princess Castle. It's the Magic Kingdom, so we're not having breakfast. We might have like a little late today. But yeah, we're at Animal Kingdom lunch. We're at Boma buffet. They have like almost everything and anything you could want to eat for breakfast. I guess I should get a plate. Lots of bacon.